For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you've ever had customers waiting because your blender couldn't keep up, this machine will feel like a lifesaver. Trust me, I've been there. If you're running a dessert shop, cafe, or even making frozen treats at home, this commercial frozen yogurt blending machine with a full stainless steel structure can completely change your workflow. I remember one weekend rush where our old blender kept overheating. Non-stop frustration. A machine like this would have saved us so much time. Powered by a 750-watt motor and spinning at 1400 RPM, it blends frozen yogurt, ice cream, fruits, nuts, and milkshakes smoothly without slowing down. The 304 stainless steel body keeps things hygienic and is super easy to clean, something every food business needs during back-to-back orders. The 930-milliliter hopper makes a big difference too. Instead of refilling after every serving, you can keep a steady flow, which I've learned is crucial when customers are lined up. And the manual long handle control lets you adjust texture on the spot, chunkier mixes or smoother blends, exactly how your customers like it. Its compact size, 12.2 inches by 22.0 inches by 29.5 inches, fits easily on most countertops, making it ideal for shops, food trucks, and events. The best part? It delivers consistent results every single time. If you want faster service, smoother blends, and a machine built for real commercial use, this one jumps ahead of the usual options.